What's going on, everybody? Jamie here from Sharon at Sea. Hey, welcome to our pre-cruise video, 4 days left countdown. Today is Wednesday. We are heading to New Orleans on Saturday, getting on board the Carnival Dream on Sunday. So we are super excited. We're winding down our 12-day pre-cruise video series. We got today, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Those are 4 days left. And then, of course, we're going to be coming to you live from the Carnival Dream on Sunday. I am here to show you a little bit about what I am bringing, what I have packed, and what I'm responsible for when we get to the cruise ship. I'm not going backpack this time. I'm strictly going with my camera bag. We are going to entrust the young man, Matthew, to carry his backpack with our laptop in it, and I'm going to be carrying all the rest electronics. So I'm fixing to show you guys what I am bringing on the cruise. Alright guys, so again, Jamie here. I am definitely overdressed for the video. Thank you very much. Shirt and tie. I am getting ready to be going to work here in a little bit, but I want to take a few minutes before we pack everything up to show you guys what I am carrying in my amazing ape case. You may have seen the video of me doing a review on this ape case. It is still serving me well, and I do not have to carry a backpack. I am strictly going all ape case this time around. So I'll give you a rundown of all the electronics and stuff that I'll be putting in my case to take. I know Sharon and Matthew will be showing you what they're going to be bringing as well. So here's what I'm responsible for. I'm going to go through it real quick and show you guys what I got cooking. All right, I'm bringing extra batteries because you always need extra batteries for anything. Maybe your neighbor in the cabin next door needs extra batteries and you have them. So you can be the hero. One crucial thing everybody's got to have. We got the extra plug-in piece. 2 plugs, 3 USB ports, and this bad boy will plug in. It's got a little bit of a cable, totally legit and legal and cool to bring on the cruise ship. Never had a problem with anything like this. This thing will serve you well to keep all your electronics charged up. One other awesome thing I have is, with one of the items I ordered not too long ago, I got the extra European plug. This little bad boy goes in the other socket in your cruise ship cabin that is designed for just European plugs. And you can plug in this 2-prong deal. In the back, it's got a plug, so anything that has a 2-prong that's US style, you can plug into that and you're ready to go. So this will be a lifesaver, and it's an extra plug for us to use. Right over here, I got our GoPro stuff. We got our GoPro Hero 3. This bad boy's a little older. We use this as kind of more of a beater to take videos with. We're going down slides, we're jumping around, we're going in the ocean, things like that. We got the floating handle on there. It's got the secure case. And we have that to make videos with. And our nice Hero 5 Black. This thing we use, we love it. This has really served us well. We'll use this for probably half of the videos that we take while we are cruising. I got all my charging things. I got extra batteries and a charger for both Heroes. I got all the connections and things with us as well. So that's our Hero stuff. Also, if we need a little head deal to attach the Hero onto our heads while we're going down a water slide, we got that. A couple other things I always bring. Flashlights. I got a head flashlight, I got a regular flashlight. You never know when the ship could go dark. And so you always want to be prepared, so I bring a couple flashlights with us. We also have a couple other things. I got a waterproof Canon camera. This thing is fantastic. It takes a beating. The name is escaping me right now. I think it's an Olympus Tough camera, and it does have a little waterproof wrist wrap that we wear, and so we can take this thing and throw it all over the beach, in the water, in the pool, and we won't lose it, and it takes fantastic pictures. Got a little tripod deal here for the camera in case you want to do a little recording in the room. Got my UE Roll waterproof Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth I should say, speaker. Plays good music. We bring it to play on the balcony if there's no one else out there. We're not going to bother anybody else like our neighbors. Also, we might play it in the room if we're jamming a little bit, hanging out, getting ready for dinner. Got some more charging equipment here. Over here, I will share with you the one thing that makes a lot of the dreams happen at Sharon at Sea. We got the Canon video camcorder. Comes with, we have our light, the Takstar microphone, and we have a nice big light to get bright with you guys, and so you can see everything. And I have, of course, my package and my pouches that will hold all this. Got my extra battery. Of course, you always got to have 2 batteries for all your electronics. Also got my wide angle lens. Oh, hold on, wrong one. Those are the extra microphones. Here I got my wide angle. Can you believe I said that? Wide angle? It's ridiculous. Wide angle lens to go on the camcorder to get more of a view of everything. I do have my tripod, comes in handy. We can set this up wherever and do pictures and videos. I can put this on the balcony and set it up to just record us coming into or leaving a port. So that's always handy. Here's some crucial things and a hot tip for you guys. It's a hot tip of the day from Jamie. Bungees. You can't have too many bungee cords. These things come in handy for so many things. Let's say your zipper on your bag breaks. You can hold your bag together with this. Let's say you want to keep that balcony door open at night and get some cool air and listen to the ocean. Bungee holds those open too. So we always bring a couple bungees for us and anyone else that we meet that might need a bungee. We're the bungee family, so we're always going to have those. Of course, I mentioned that we're going to put all this stuff in the Ape case. Easy to carry. And the last thing I'm going to have in my case is going to be, you've seen this before, the Azimuth/Sharonatsea travel folder with all of our documents in there. You thought we were kidding when we showed you this. We were totally serious. It's exactly how we set it up on our last video. And we got our passports in there, all our important paperwork and all that. So, that's the deal. This is what I'm bringing. Hope I didn't go through it too quick, but I know we're on a time crunch and we got to get ready to go on a cruise. So, let us know if you have any questions. Leave a comment in the video if there's anything special that I miss or that you always bring in your bag. And for now, we'll see you soon on the Dream and happy cruising.